Welcome to the Exact Contact tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will go over your options for including a blog on your website and show you how to add your own blog posts. By default, your Exact Contact website comes preloaded with regularly updated, professionally written, real estate-specific blog articles. If you don't change the default blog setup, your website will automatically be updated with fresh content that we write for you every couple of weeks. However, you also have the option to replace our preloaded posts with your own posts, display a combination of our posts and your own, or hide the blog altogether. To set your blog display options, log into your website control panel and click the Content Options button. The default settings for your new website is to display the blog posts that we write for you and to display up to 10 blog post snippets on your home page and the dedicated blog page. If you uncheck the option to display the blog posts that we provide and you have not entered any blog posts of your own, then the blog page menu will automatically be hidden from your website since there would be nothing to display. Once you enter at least one blog post of your own, the blog menu item will reappear. Creating a blog post is very similar to creating a page. Under the blog option in the left menu, select Add New. First, enter the title of your blog post. Then enter the content using the editor below. I'm going to copy the content from a document that I've created and paste it into the editor. You can use the menu items at the top of the editor to format your text, add bulleted or numbered points, add hyperlinks, indent text, and perform a number of other text editing tasks. While the text fonts cannot be changed, you can set the font size by highlighting a section of text and selecting either paragraph for the standard font size or selecting from one of the heading sizes to insert titles. If you want to add a picture to your post, place the cursor at the point in the text where you want to insert the picture and click the Add Media button at the top of the editor. You are presented with your media library, which is your own personal storage area where you upload picture files for use in various places on your website. You can either select a picture that you've previously uploaded, or you can upload a new picture from your computer. I'm going to select a picture that I've previously uploaded. And there's the picture in my post. To remove a picture from your post, simply click the picture and press the delete key. You can see what your post will look like without actually publishing it to your site at any time by clicking the preview button in the top right corner. And there's what my post will look like. If you are halfway through creating a blog post and need to go and do something else, you can click the Save Draft button in order to partially save your completed post without it actually displaying on your website. If I go back to the blog list, my partially completed blog post is displayed in the list with the word draft after the blog title. Click on the title to complete your post. It is good practice to categorize your blog post in order to provide visitors to your website with a way to search for posts that are relevant to them. To assign a category to your post, simply check the box in the categories list. To add a new category, click the Add New Category link below the list of categories, enter the new category, and click the Add New Category button. Any newly added category is automatically added to the current post. A blog post featured image is the picture that will display on the main blog page or your site's home page with each blog snippet. Note that the featured image will only display on these pages if you are not also displaying blog posts provided by IXACT Contact. The featured image will also display on the individual blog post page regardless of your blog setup. To add a featured image, I click the Set Featured Image link, select the image from my media library, and click the Set Featured Image button in the bottom right corner. Once you are ready to publish your post, click the Publish button and the post is added to my website. And there's my post. Now I don't see the featured image here because I'm also including the preloaded posts that we provide. If I go back to the content options page and uncheck the box to display posts provided by IXACT Contact, refresh the blog page, you'll see that the featured image is now displayed both on the code snippet, blog snippets page and on the main blog page. If you write your own blog posts, you can also add a widget to display your recent posts in your website's sidebar or footer depending on the theme layout you have selected for your site. The Recent Post widget does not display posts provided by IXACT Contact. To add the widget, under Theme Options in the left menu, select Widgets. In the Available Widgets area on the left side of the page, locate the Recent Post widget, click it, and holding down the mouse, drag it over to the primary widgets area on the right side of the page. Enter the title for your posts, the number of posts you wish to display, and whether or not to display the post date. Then click Save. If I return to my website and refresh the page, you will see that my recent posts are now displayed in my sidebar. You now know how to set the blog content options for your agent website, and if you wish, create your own blog posts.